I just got this wireless CarPlay for my vehicle here. I'm very excited to use this as it will allow me to be a little more hands-free from my phone, and then I won't have to use all these cords to connect it up. It's just going to provide a lot better experience with driving in this vehicle. So in the package, it comes with a little CarPlay. It's so small and compact. It does come with a 3M sticky tape, so you can stick that on the back here and then just stick it in place. It'll keep it right next to the USB port, or if you need it to be a C port, you can just connect this on here and then it will be a C port. But my vehicle does use the USB, so I'm going to open this up and plug it in. So with that plugged in there, I'm going to turn on the vehicle and then connect up my Bluetooth. Okay, so there it is, already all connected. So I'm actually going to shut my car off. And so turn the car back on, and right there, it's already synced and connected. You can see the phone here and messages. You can check what's on your calendar for the day. You have Pandora, Google Maps, whatever you really need to do on your phone while you're driving, it is right here. Hey Siri, what's on my calendar today?
You have 2 events, from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m.
So right there, she knows I have 2 events on my calendar. I love it because as I'm driving, I don't have to be looking at the screen or even playing with my phone. I can just ask Siri to do pretty much everything. And again, it is all wirelessly connected. Hey Siri, send a text message to David.
Which David? David Myers.
So you can send text messages, you can ask her to phone call, and if you don't want to use Siri, you can just scroll through here. It's a great touch screen and very vivid and colorful. You can go right through. It's very fast to your touch. I love that as well. You can play podcasts or hop onto Pandora, and here I'll just play some music.
If you like to talk to tomatoes,
So I'm actually going to shut the car off again, and I'm going to turn the car on, and it should automatically just start playing my music off my phone. Just like that. So it's already playing my music. We're good to go. I love that you can hop in and out of your car, and it will constantly be ready to play your music, take you where you need to go with the GPS. It's right there. It's so fast, so easy to do. Anybody and everybody out there would love to have this product in their car. I think this is a great update for my car. So simple, so easy. Like I said, you just plug it right in and you're good to go. If you're looking to upgrade your car just like I have upgraded mine, you are going to love this iPhone wireless CarPlay.